Hi everyone, this is Sunny and today I will explain some of the basic commands that we can use in Linux. So what's Linux? It's an operating system. Mostly we use Windows based operating system because it's easy to use. Linux is used in companies, or you can say it's preferred in companies because it's secure, it's fast, and it is open source operating system. But it's a command based operating system. It doesn't have interface like Windows. Okay, so now let's start learning some commands in Linux. But before we start, the concern here is where can we practice these commands? Because our machine is a Windows base and we need a VM. What VM means? A virtual machine where we can practice these commands. So don't worry, what I had done here in my machine, I had installed Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, it's a separate Oracle VM VirtualBox where we can practice these Linux commands. So you can install the same in your machine. And if you don't want to install this virtual box, what you can do, go to the browser. I will share this link with you. You have to hit here, enter here, and you will find this menu, or you can say a dashboard, where you have to click on Fedora 33 Linux console. So once you will click here, you will get this VM where you can practice Linux commands. It will behave same like Ubuntu, but in Ubuntu we have some more features. So for now, let's go with Ubuntu. Starting with the first command, which is pwd. So let's understand this command. Go to Ubuntu, go to this terminal. This is called terminal. Okay. So where we can practice our commands in Ubuntu. Now type pwd, hit enter. This pwd command will give you the path where exactly you are. So right now I am in home and then Sunny. So current path is this is my current path where actually I am. In Windows, what you have in the Windows, you have the folder structure. But in here in Linux, it's not like that. It's all command based. So if you need the path where you are, so you have to type pwd. It will give you the path where actually you are. So right now I'm in Sunny folder. Moving to next command, that is ls. So let's see what ls will give us. So type ls. It will give you all the files which are present in this Sunny folder. So these are the files that we have in this Sunny folder. So that is ls for you. Now moving to next command, that is lsltr. Sorry, lslt. So ls -lt. The same files we get again but with more details. If you will notice here, these are the same files abc, ccc, which you get from ls command. But when you type this -lt, it will give you more details about those files. Now here you can find the file name. These are the file name. This is the modified date. You will get the date as well, and this is the size of the file, and then the Sunny where actually these files are. Then here one thing is here, you if the file is having hyphen in the beginning, like the first file have the hyphen in the beginning, we can see here this is the hyphen. What it means this is the file. And if some line is not having this hyphen, that means it's folder, it is some drive. So what file means here, like the notepad file, it can be notepad file, word file, csv file. So these are the files which you can open, but folder is different than file. So whatever the line you will find the hyphen in the start, that means that is a file, that's not a folder. If you will not find this hyphen, it means this is folder. Okay, so this is folder, and with file with line having hyphen, which means it is a file. Same you will find for this one. Okay, So this is the difference here. Now lsltr. So let's see what it will give us. ls-ltr. Again, the same files we get, but now it is sorted. Reverse sort. We get files in reverse sort. You can see now, first we get videos, then template, then public, picture. So it is now sorted, but the same files. So that is the only difference with ltr command. Now, if you need the size, like it should be specified, like how much, what is the size, actual size. So for that you can type ls lh. Now here the difference only is, earlier it was size was like 4096. It was not getting this k, which is a kilobyte, or now with this ls and h, it gets human readable. Now you can read the file size, which is 4. If the size is big, it will read this 4.0 k. So by this you can understand what is actual file size for this file. It becomes more human readable. Now moving to next command, that is clear. So let's see what clear does. Clear by word itself means it is clearing everything. So let's see clear, hit enter. So it's clearing your all the commands, it is clearing. Now we can start from beginning. Okay. Moving to next, that is cat command. So it's very interesting, it's very important as well. First, let's see the file, whatever the files we have. Now, if you want to see the content of the file, so for that what you can do, you can use cat command. So we have the file which is first file.txt, xx.csv, or ccc. So these are the files. So let's see the content of these files. Cat, if I type ccc, you can see it has given us the content. So this is the content that is present in this ccc file. So by this you can view the content of file. Moving to next command, that is touch. Now what touch does, it will create a new file. Now if you have the requirement where you need to create new file in this Sunny folder, what you can do, touch, let's give it a name as new file. Okay, new file 1, or you can say new file. Hit enter. Now when you will do ls again, what ls does, it will give you all the files that are present in the location. So you can see now we get new file, which is here. Okay, so by touch command you can create new file. Moving to next command, that is rm. Now if you have the requirement where you need to remove the file, you need to delete the file, so you can simply type rm and new file which you have already created. So you can remove that as well. If you again type ls, you will find this file is no more present in this drive, sorry, at this location. So for location you can check what location you are, pwd. So you are in this location and do ls again. So this is new file is not present in this location, which is Sunny. Now moving to next, that is vi. So this is an editor. This is very interesting and very useful also. Now let's say you have the requirement where there is some file, you have to do some editing, you want to edit the file. Now first let's open the file with vi. So this is the editor. In Windows, what you do, you open the notepad file, you would edit data easily and then you save the file. But here you cannot do like that. You have to open the file with vi, which is an editor. So what's the file? It is ccc. Let's open this. Okay, so it has opened this file. Now to edit the file, first you have to enter I. So now you are in the insert mode. So you can type here, my name is Sunny. Okay, we are learning Linux. So you have done the editing. Now you will type escape button. So escape and then colon. So you can see in the end there is colon where there is a blink. So colon, if you type WQ, it will save the file and exit from here. Okay. So it was W, sorry, W, WQ. So once you will type WQ, it will save the file and exit from here. Now after that hit enter. Now if you open the file again, you can find those chains, and how to see the content of file, as I said, by cat command. You can type cat and the file name. What's file name? It is ccc. You can see now name, we are learning Linux. So you may have understood like how we can edit file. Let me show you again. So first you will go vi editor and then open the file here, ccc, then go, you have to type I. I means insert. Now you are insert mode. Then type anything. Okay, so you are typing, then type. After you have typed you have made your changes, then you can type escape. Once you type escape, then colon. If you are typing like Q, which means you are quitting from here, it will quit from this editor. Okay, if you want to type Q and exclamatory here, what it means? It means you are quitting and no changes will get like modified here. You are quitting and you are not doing any changes. If you are doing Q, it will quit from here. And if you are doing WQ, which means you are saving the file and you are quitting from this editor. And if you are doing only W, which means it is saving the file. So for now we have to do like, see, let's type Q and then exclamatory. Okay, so we are quitting here without doing any change. So whatever the change if we have done here in the top line, that will not get saved in this file. So let's see. Now if I type here WICCC, you will not find those changes which we have done. Okay, so this is how it works. Now you will type here again escape colon WQ. So this is how editor work. It's very simple, don't get confused. Open the editor and then I mode, I for insert, and then once you are done your change, press escape and then WQ, W. So these are the commands that I have showed you. Now moving to next, that is Mkdir. It is same as I said. See, if you have to create the file, you can do with Mkdir. So let's understand this. Now Mkdir, by this way you can create a directory. So let's create a directory, new directory. Okay, now if you type ls, you will find new directory here. Is it there any new directory? Okay, so here it is, new directory which we created by Mkdir command. Rmdir. Now if you have to remove the directory, you can type simply Rmdir and the name of the directory, which is new dir. It will remove it. If you type again ls, you will not find this directory in this location, which was a new directory. Now moving to next, that is cd dot dot. This is again very important. Now pwd. So right now we are at Sunny, which is the location, which is the exact current location where we are present. Now if you want to go to home, so how can you go to home? You can type simply cd space dot dot. It will go one step back. One step back, which means right now we were at Sunny, so right now we are at home. So if you type pwd again, so you are at home. If you want to go one step back again, you can simply type cd dot dot. So if you type pwd, so right now you are at root location. And if you want to go again to home and Sunny, what you can do, cd home. Now you are at home, cd Sunny. If you type pwd again, you will find now you are back to Sunny folder. So by this way, cd dot dot, you can go back to the previous location. And if you want to go to some location, you want to go to some file, you can type cd and the name of the file. So that was it for today's session. I hope you have understood some basic commands. We'll come up with the next session shortly. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Be healthy, be safe, and love your family.